Okay, so in this video, all I'm going over is how to check your work. Your last video was how to divide, and so we divided 1/4 divided by 5 and got 1/20. All right, so let's put our answer back up here on top, 1/20. All right, I have on another sheet of paper this problem written out, and we are going to check it. Now, you check division with the inverse operation. The inverse of division is multiplication. So first I'm going to write my problem down. You always have to go back to your original problem. Never, ever, ever are you using how you solve it. You're going to your original problem. And you literally write it backwards. All right? The middle number stays in the middle. But if you write it backwards, last number would be 1/4, the middle number would be 5, and the first number would be 1/20. So now I've written it all backwards, and it's multiplied. So that is the problem we're going to use. So let's check it. 1/20 times, we're going to make it into a fraction, 5/1 equals 5/20. Well, it's supposed to be 1/4. Well, if we reduce it by 5, it will be 1/4. So it checks out. The other thing you need to know is why. And it's because multiplication and division are, and you may have guessed it, inverse operations. Okay? Keywords there. Inverse operations. All right, so if you're ever asked why, this is why, because multiplication and division are inverse operations. And again, you go back to the original problem, not how you solved it, the original problem, and then you write it backwards and multiply to find out that it's true. And that's also true for if the whole number is first. You have your problem, you write it backwards using the inverse operation, and then you solve it. 20/1 times 1/4 is 20/4. Throw it in bracket. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So it checks out. That's how you check it. And again, this is true because multiplication and division are inverse operations. There you go. There you have checking. Happy math.